I want to congratulate you.
Congratulate all of you.
Congratulations.
I would like to congratulate you.
I want to congratulate you on being
all.
accepted to the Quantitative Data Literacy Training course.
I think it's critical for all of us who are from communities that have been subjected to marginalization. Our capacity to design alternative approaches, policies, and strategies is very much dependent upon our ability to understand what the evidence is about the world that we live in.
Becoming more literate in data and how to use data will help you to understand and to quantify why Black lives matter.
An important part of quantitative data literacy is understanding the story behind a number and the stories behind the ways we connect numbers.
Quantitative data literacy is so important because there's a saying, no data, no problem. But we know that's not true. We know there's a lot of problems, and we can use data to quantify the problems and then to design solutions for these problems.
Once we understand something as simple as exposures, we can begin to advocate for change and design ways to make our societies healthier.
Dig this. Every day, your life is dictated by decisions made by other people. People who do not know you, people who are not familiar with your family, people who have never even stepped foot into your community. These people range in discipline and industry, from corporate executives to healthcare professionals, school administrators to politicians, marketers, and more. The common thread is they all use quantitative data analysis to make these decisions, which, unfortunately, in too many cases for Black and brown people, is the difference between life or death. Why? Because quantitative data analysis is deemed a credible tool that tells a quick story. It helps us see patterns among large populations and gives us clues as to why certain phenomena occur and how we can predict the future. Data can reveal truths, like education is not the great equalizer. Black college graduates have a significantly lower level of wealth than whites who have dropped out of high school. Or the fact that Black women with professional degrees have higher levels of infant mortality than all other women in the United States.
And the statistics are stunning. And Black women are 3 to 4 times as likely to die from pregnancy-related causes than white women. For a closer look at what's behind those numbers.
Data can also tell us why Black boys are at a higher risk of dropping out of high school, and why Black and brown people are more disproportionately affected by the novel coronavirus.
When you look at the proportion of people who get into serious trouble and die, again, it's going to be disproportionate towards the African Americans. I do expect that.
Most importantly, understanding the data helps us find the solutions we need to remedy the issues we face. For too long, we've been missing from the data and from the data analysis. And that's not by chance. It's decided for most Black and brown children by the time they reach the 3rd grade. And the push out of math and science disciplines continues into undergraduate and graduate levels of education. 1% of the United States has a doctorate, and 10,000% of those are Black people. But the door is not closed to you. We're here to take back our narrative. We're here to tell the truth of our story using numbers. Now more than ever, we need you in position to be able to read, write, explain, and understand data. Grassroots Community Foundation, in partnership with New York University Global Public Health, saw the need and came together to offer this quantitative data literacy training course to equip us with the tools that we need to advocate for the change that we want to see.
During the next 4 weeks, you can expect to become literate in data analytics. You will also be able to recognize when data are being used in misleading and inappropriate ways. Dr. Melody Goodman, Associate Dean of Research, and her team at NYU Global Public Health are going to lead you on this great adventure. Use your time with them wisely. And remember, knowledge is power, and the power to change the world lies with you.